If you want to hide files on the Xiaomi 17, then in that case we can use the File Manager app, which you can find, for example, in the app drawer. Now, once we go to the File Manager, in here we can switch to Browse. We can see different categories over here of our files that we have on our phone. We can tap on more in order to reveal more of these categories. So let's say I'm gonna choose images in this example, although you can of course hide anything that you want that you can find in the File Manager. In order to hide something, first we need to select it in here. So I'm gonna press and hold my finger on the first image that I want to hide. Of course, we can keep selecting more stuff that you want to hide. And then once you select everything that you decide to hide, you can tap on more in the bottom right corner. And then over here we have make private. So we can tap over here and confirm that you want to make these files private. Now, in order to find those hidden files, we can go back to the browse category or recent, it doesn't really matter, as long as we have anything over here. Once we are outside of the select files or categories, we can just swipe down in here, although I'm not sure if we can do this in the browse actually, so maybe we need to go to recent, although I'm pretty sure it was possible before. Nevertheless, okay, so we can go to recent and we can swipe down in here in order to open the private folder. There we go. And in here you can find everything that you have hidden so far. Of course, we can still unhide these items if you tap on remove over here. Then you have to choose where those files should be placed. And this is how we can hide files. Besides that, you can also use the Files app by Google. This is another file manager. And in this case, you can find exactly the same list of files that you have on your phone. It works pretty much the same way as the file manager that we have been just yet. This one just looks slightly different, and we have a save folder where we need to create a pin code or pattern in order to have a dedicated password to that save folder. And if you choose anything that you want to transfer, let's say I'm gonna select these files over here, then we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we can move to the save folder. And once you move to the save folder, of course, you can find them exactly in the save folder in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.